What's up guys, this is Benji Geronimo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video guys, I will show you my small, tiny little room here in Jumeirah Lake Towers. So as you all know, I already moved from Barsha to the newest place, Jumeirah Lake Towers, which is very close to my office. So guys, without further ado, I will show you the room tour. Tara guys, pasok tayo. So, ito ang aking kwarto. Ayan, kitang-kita nyo ngayon. Meron akong sariling door. Close siya actually. Actually, hindi ganun kalakihan yung kwarto, pero I feel very comfortable here in this room. And yeah, so this is my bed. Basically, they have a small bed, single bed here. And they also provided me a closet. So I have a side table. Okay. I have this table where I put these things. Yan. Yan siya guys. And then I have some plants here. And of course, the television. So yun guys. Ngayon naman ay silipin natin ang aking closet. Tingnan natin kung ano ba ang laman na itong cabinet na to. So basically, lahat ng damit ko ay nilagay ko na dito sa cabinet para isang kuhanan na lang. So ito siya guys. So basically, my t-shirt and polo shirt ay dito ko nilagay sa taas. And then, lahat ng mga long sleeve na ginagamit ko sa work at saka yung mga jacket and pants and slacks na ginagamit ko sa work, dito ko siya nilagay. So, ayan, minsan hindi ko na pinaplansya kasi hindi naman lukot. So yun naman ang cabinet ko. And then some shorts and pants down there. Yan. Ako pa naman yung gusto ko yung lahat maayos kapag nilagay mo sa cabinet. Ayoko kasi yung parang kung saan mo na nilalagay yung mga gamit mo o yung mga damit mo. So, here's my closet. So ayun guys, ayun, nababa tayo. So nandito ako ngayon sa lower ground nung bago ko nilipatan. And this is their kitchen. So the kitchen is very nice, it's spacious. And kompleto rin siya sa gamit. So meron tayong refrigerator, meron din tayong cooker, and meron din tayong automatic washing machine dito. Yeah. So ito nga pala yung view. Such a nice view. Yan. So, labas tayo. Nandito ko ngayon sa balcony nung tinigiran ko ngayon, and as you can see in the view there is the Emirates Golf Club, and you can also see the Sheikh Zayed Road and the metro station. That is Nakheel station, I believe. And actually you can see the Jumeirah beach over there. Yeah, it's a very nice view, and every time I want to see the outside, I just go here in the balcony. So we are heading to the 41st floor, where we can find the health club of this building. So let's see the gymnasium and the pool area if it's open. So let's go, guys. So we just arrived at the 41st floor. Let's check out first, guys, the swimming pool, if it's already open. I don't know yet. So as you can see, there's like a sanitizer here before you enter. Let's check out, guys. Oh, it's open. The pool is open now. Let's check out, guys. Hi. very productive day at the gymnasium here. So after our workout, it's about time to cook something for dinner. So I will be cooking corned beef Argentina. This is the ACS. Because I don't have the time to buy something from the supermarket, so I'll just cook something very simple. So I'll be having a corned beef with potatoes. And that concludes our room tour for today. So guys, sana nagustuhan nyo yung kwarto ko. Medyo pinaghirapan ko rin na mga ayusin yon. Yan. So, guys, kung nagustuhan nyo yung video na to at ng room tour na to, please hit the like button. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Okay? So guys, hanggang sa susunod na video, please always watch my videos. And kung nagugustuhan nyo yung video na to, you can also share to your friends. And yeah, that's all. So don't forget to share the good vibes and stay safe and always stay healthy. Okay guys, this is Benji Geronimo signing off. See you again soon.